maglalaro sa ating jackpot round. Remember, nasa panahon nyo ang sagot. So teams, good luck sa inyo. First question, let's roll it! VR, sa International Motor Racing. Sinong VR ang tinaguriang The Doctor? Oh yes, Valentino Rossi is correct. MotoGP World Champion so called because of its clinical demolition of the opponent. Next quiz, let's roll it. 16. Panoon ko yan. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Extra hot for 20 points. ER. Anong ER ang pamagat nito? Play video. Namsa.
Easy Rider
is correct. Let's watch it. So, 1969 starring Peter Fonda and Dennis Hopper na naririnig niyo ang Born to be Wild by Stephen Wolf. Okay, 20 points for Namsa team. Okay, next question. Let's roll it. 70s. Ano ko yan? Okay, S. Noong 1971, anong S ang city kung saan itinatag ang unang coffee house ng Starbucks? Namsa.
Seattle
Is correct. Nasa Washington State. Okay, good job, Namsa team. Next question, let's roll it. 2000. Extra hot. Video extra hot. 20 points. CAFT. Anong CAFT? Ang title ng pelikulang ito kung saan bida ang tatlong babae. Play video. Selche.
Charlie's Angels Full Throttle.
That is correct. 2003 starring Cameron Diaz, Drew Barrymore, and ex-co, Lucy Liu. Ay, naku, gumagawa pa talaga siya ng pelikula para mapansin ko. Next question, let's roll it. 80. Panahon ko yan.
Panahon ko yan.
BRB, the sports. Sinong BRB ang tinaguriang The Black Superman ng Philippine Basketball Association? Selche.
Billy Ray Bates.
That is correct. Na naglaro para sa Crispa at Ginebra. Okay, next question. Let's roll it. 60s.
Panahon ko yan.
H. Sa cartoons, anong H ang paboritong pagkain ni Wimpy na kaibigan ni Papa? Namsa.
Hamburger
Hamburger is correct. Okay, next question. Let's roll it. 70.
Panahon ko yan.
Sige lang kami. Extra hot. Visual. Extra hot. EK. Sinong EK ang famous personality na ito? Show picture. Selche.
Evil Genievil.
That is correct. Ang American Motorcycle Daredevil na napakalupit ng kanyang mga ginagawa sa motor C class. Hindi biro yan. Okay, next question. Let's roll it. 2000. Panahon ka yan. DDG. Anong DDG? Ang criminal group na paksa ng isang PLDT commercial. Selche.
Dugu-dugugang.
Correct! So, JP, one question away mula sa ating jackpot round. Next question, let's roll it. 90s.
Panahon ko yan.
Panahon ko yan. Z. So, drinks. Anong Z ang pro shake na pinausin? Zombie. Zombie is wrong.
Mali! Ayan gawa ko.
Dito kamay.
Let's go!
Zagu.
Zagu is correct.
Yeah!
So, Namsa team, thank you so much for joining. OAS MX team, maraming salamat. Thank you. Selche, samahan nyo kami niluluboy dito. Good job, guys. One step away from winning 100. Ayan. One step away from winning 100,000 pesos. Come on. At eto, kailangan abangan ng motocross from Thailand, Korea, Japan, and New Zealand International. This is brought to us by the Asian Motorcycle Union, FIM, NAMSA, and the Philippine Olympic Committee, sponsored by Dr. Vicky Bello of Bello Men, Joel Cruz of Aficionado, Dr. Manny Pai Kalaya. Hi, Doc Manny, Doc Pai. Yes, hello. Jeff Ted of Bell House, Nelson Guevara of PJ Flex, RRJ, and Hammering. Hello, Yuman. Hello, Yuman. Good luck sa ating representatives, of course. Kaya ang ating sinong sikat round. Good luck, siyempre, sa lahat na magre-represent ng ating bandila. Good luck. Siyempre, ang ating sinong sikat round